Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kim Diehl Fabric is probably one of the most sought-after collections for quilters and crafters, renowned for its timeless charm and exceptional quality that brings a touch of vintage elegance to any project. This fabric line, inspired by traditional designs and a muted, sophisticated color palette, offers a unique aesthetic that resonates with those who appreciate classic beauty and enduring style in their handmade creations. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or just beginning your crafting journey, exploring the world of Kim Diehl Fabric opens up a realm of creative possibilities, allowing you to craft pieces that feel both nostalgic and beautifully contemporary, making each stitch a testament to enduring craftsmanship and personal expression. Number 5. White Fabric Tulle Roll 54" x 40 yards. Introducing our premium quality white fabric tulle bolt. This versatile and elegant material is perfect for inspiring your creativity and elevating your projects. With its generous dimensions of 54 inches by 40 yards, this bolt offers an abundance of high-quality fabric to bring your visions to life. Crafted from fine and durable tulle fabric, it delivers a lightweight yet sturdy construction. This makes it ideal for a wide range of creative endeavors. Protect your garden with style. Use it as an effective yet beautiful garden netting solution, safeguarding your plants while adding a touch of whimsy. Order your fabric tulle bolt today and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Elevate your crafts, decorations, and events with its ethereal beauty. Let your creativity soar and create masterpieces that will leave a lasting impression. This fabric is your go-to choice for achieving remarkable results. What we like. This fabric offers a generous size for all your creative needs. It is crafted from durable tulle, ensuring longevity in your projects. If you are looking for a versatile material for decorations, crafts, or even garden netting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the quality is excellent. This fabric is perfect for quilting and has a great feel to it. The prints are lovely and very unique, exactly what I was looking for. Number 4. Ottertex Waterproof Canvas Fabric. Introducing Ottertex Canvas Fabric, your ultimate solution for outdoor durability. This fabric is designed to withstand the elements, keeping your projects protected. Measuring 60 inches wide, it offers ample coverage for a variety of applications. Its generous width makes it easy to work with for any project, big or small. Choose from 15 rich and vibrant colors to perfectly match your needs. Find the ideal shade to bring your creative vision to life. Crafted with 100% polyester and a 100% polyvinyl chloride, PVC, backing, this fabric boasts a substantial 390 GSM weight. It's built to last. Conveniently sold by the yard, you can order the exact amount you need. It comes in continuous pieces, ensuring a seamless finish for your projects. With a thickness of 0.55 mm, this material offers robust protection and reliability. Experience the quality and performance you expect. What we like. This fabric is completely waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor applications. Its durable canvas construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. If you need a reliable material for outdoor gear, upholstery, or protective covers, this is the one to consider. What people say. The fabric is beautiful and the quality is excellent. The colors are vibrant and the prints are unique. This fabric is perfect for quilting and other sewing projects. Number 3. Tudomro Japanese Style Fabric Squares. Introducing our Japanese Style Fabric Squares, perfect for your creative projects. Made from quality material, they are soft, comfortable, and built to last. You'll receive a generous pack of 30 pieces, each featuring unique Japanese-style patterns. With a variety of colors and designs, your creative options are endless. Each fabric square measures approximately 8 by 10 inches, a convenient size for all your crafting needs. Easily cut them into any shape or size you desire. These fabrics are designed with a fine bronzing process, giving them a glittering appearance. The colors are treated to remain fresh and bright, even after washing. From patchwork and quilting to making costumes, bags, and home decorations, these fabrics are incredibly versatile. Let your imagination run wild with these beautiful materials. What we like. These fabric squares feature beautiful Japanese-style patterns with a glittering bronzing process. Made from quality cotton, they are soft and durable for long-term use. If you love unique designs and are looking for materials for patchwork, quilting, or small DIY crafts, these bundles are a fantastic option. What people say. The fabric is beautiful and the colors are vibrant, perfect for quilting projects. High-quality cotton fabric, soft and easy to work with. It holds its shape well after washing. The prints are unique and very appealing, adding a special touch to handmade items. Number 2. 10 Fat Quarters American Civil War Bundle M228.01. Step back in time with this collection of 10 fat quarters. Each piece features historical reproduction prints from the 1800s, perfect for your next quilt. Crafted from high-quality quilters cotton, these fabrics are a joy to work with. Experience the authentic feel and look of historical textiles. While designs may vary, you'll receive assorted prints similar to those shown. This ensures a unique and inspiring selection for your creative projects. We're always adding new and fresh prints to our bundles. You'll find a dynamic selection that keeps your fabric stash exciting and full of possibilities. Looking for more? Discover our Kansas Troubles collection by searching for ASIN B0B1F7AQPK. Or, find our Neutrals-only Civil War bundle with ASIN B0BRBS3HGQ. What we like? This bundle offers authentic historical reproduction prints from the American Civil War era. Each fat quarter is made from high-quality 100% cotton. If you are a quilter or crafter with a passion for historical themes and unique, assorted prints, this collection is a must-have for your stash. What people say. The fabric is beautiful and the colors are exactly as pictured online. This fabric is perfect for quilting and has a nice weight to it. The quality of the fabric is excellent, it's soft and easy to work with. Number 1. Connecting Threads Blender Collection Fat Quarters. Introducing the Connecting Threads Blender Collection, a versatile set designed for your creative projects. This bundle offers a beautiful selection of fabrics to inspire your next creation. Each piece in this bundle is pre-cut to approximately 18 by 22 inches, providing ample material for your needs. Crafted from 100% USA-grown cotton, you can trust in its superior quality and soft feel. We prioritize your well-being. Our fabric is Ecotech certified, ensuring it is free from harmful substances. You can sew with confidence, knowing you're using a safe and high-quality material. These fat quarter bundles are specially designed for quilting enthusiasts. However, their versatility extends to all your sewing and crafting endeavors, from creating garments to crafting home decor items. Explore the Chambray Tonals collection, featuring textural blender fabrics in both cool and warm hues. These fabrics are ideal for complementing existing projects or standing out on their own. Made from premium American-grown cotton, this collection is a necessity for any sewing enthusiast. Elevate your fabric stash with these beautiful and functional blender fabrics. What we like? This collection features beautiful textural blender fabrics with a chambray look. Made from 100% USA-grown cotton and Ecotech certified, it's a premium and safe choice. If you're looking for versatile fabrics to complement your quilting projects or to use as standalone blenders, this bundle offers excellent quality and style. What people say. The fabric is a beautiful collection of Kim Diehl prints. The colors are exactly as pictured and the quality is excellent. This fabric is perfect for quilting projects and the designs are very unique. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.